Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to get Spotify Premium for free. Open your Google Browser app. First, you need to search Spotify free trial in here. And then scroll down. So here you can find this website. So tap on it. We can get Spotify Premium for free 3 months. So tap on this get 3 months for $0 button in here. Now you need to enter your Spotify email address or username in here and enter password. Then tap on this login button. After you log into your Spotify account, you can use Spotify Premium free for 3 months. After 3 months, you can create a new Spotify account again and do this again. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.